Welcome to my huge channel. I'm Elias, I'm an embedded software engineer, and I will be your guide as we jump into the world of programming microcontrollers with C and C++. So let's jump into. But the first, I have to mention that this series is mainly made for individuals with a foundational knowledge of programming concepts. And I will embark on a journey that spans from the basics, like getting your first LED to blink, all the way to more advanced topics such as utilizing ADCs with interrupts and so on. In addition to these tutorials, I will also showcase your really exciting projects you can build with the knowledge of this series. And yeah, just to show you what you can do with all this knowledge you gain here. But the most important question you should ask yourself is, why should you invest the time into learning AVR programming or in general embedded system programming, programming Arduinos with C and C++? And hey, it could be that simple, like I have enough from programming in the Arduino IDE and I want to do more advanced stuff. And yeah, or I'm just curious about all this embedded world stuff and yeah, want to try new things. Or maybe it is because your teacher said you have to and you have to learn for the exams. So, but in all cases, you're right here. I will guide you through this and yeah, show you all. So enough talking, let's get started. So great, here we are. And as I mentioned, you should have already your first programming experience. I assume you already know or have VS Code. If not, no problem. The link to AVR is down in the description. And you will also need a microcontroller like this one, or the best case, the same one, the Arduino Atmega 2560. And I would recommend you to buy the package with actors and sensors so you can do more stuff with it. Great. So the first thing we have to do, if you have installed it, you should go to extensions. Here, PlatformIO, I already typed it in, and install this. This is our extension for VS Code that we can talk with our Arduino and load up our code on it. If you have installed it, I would recommend you to reboot your VS Code or to reopen it. So close it and open it again, because the PlatformIO have to be initialized into your code editor and needs therefore a reboot. Right. So this should pop up in your sidebar. Just click on open, new project, 01 start. Then you have to specify the name of your Arduino, in my case, and hopefully in your case the same, the Arduino Atmega 2560. I go 2560, there it is. Great. You can specify your own location. I'll just use the default one and click on finish. I have already done it, so close that one. Perfect. This should pop up all these directories with a specific CPP file. And here we are ready to start. Okay, now I will show you only the necessary steps to test your LED on your Arduino. So first we have to import our libraries, define our pin, our LED on our board. And now we have set our according pin in our register and turned it off, turned it on. so it's blinking. Perfect. Now we can build it. Perfect, it's working. And now we can upload it on our board. So connect your board to your PC and voila, perfect. Now we can start with the interesting things in the next video, and see you. Bye.